Are you tired of constantly downloading Chrome MSI whenever you need to install it on multiple computers? Well, say goodbye to that hassle with the Chrome Offline Installer MSI. Simply download the MSI file from the official Chrome website. No more waiting for individual downloads and updates. Once the MSI file is downloaded, you can use it to install Chrome on as many computers as you want. It's perfect for IT administrators or anyone who needs to install Chrome on multiple devices. Not only does the Chrome Offline Installer MSI save you time, but it also saves you bandwidth. This installer allows you to download the full setup file in one go. And if you have a slow or unreliable internet connection, this installer is a lifesaver. You won't have to wait for hours for the download to complete. With the Chrome Offline Installer MSI, installation is fast and easy. Just double-click on the MSI file and the installation will begin. There are no complicated steps or additional downloads required. Everything you need is included in the MSI file itself. And since it's an official installer from Google, you can trust its reliability and security. You won't have to worry about downloading malicious files from unknown sources. With the Chrome Offline Installer MSI, you can always get the latest version of Chrome. You won't have to update your browser manually every time. The installer will automatically check for updates and install them for you. This ensures that you always have the most up-to-date version of Chrome. And if you work in an environment where internet access is limited or restricted, the Chrome Offline Installer MSI is a game changer. You can install Chrome without needing an internet connection. No more waiting for the network administrator to grant you access. Just use the offline installer and you're good to go. So, if you're